Hey Flutes, I'm just going to make this quick little video for you to help practice tonight. I know there's another one posted in Canvas, but I thought I would talk about some of the things that might be causing you a little bit of trouble. So here's my head joint. So again, we're going to face the little circle, which is the lip plate, straight up towards the ceiling. Now when we play, again, we want it to be underneath our bottom lip, and we're going to think, poo. Now if we say poo too wide, it opens our lips like this. We want them to be pretty small, like we're blowing through a straw. Now I talked to some people today about thinking about blowing on a spoon with some hot soup on it, so kind of gentle. So see how the opening of my lips is pretty small. And what some of us are doing is we're just blowing too fast. We're just going, or we're just kind of like really short. So what we want to do first is we need to find the right spot. So if we just put it under our lip, so my circle is kind of in the middle. If I have a teardrop lip, if this part points down really far, we may need to move it a little bit to the side. But most of us should be able to be right in the middle. Now if you can see, it's underneath. So this back part is literally touching my chin. It's pushing just gently. It's not like pushing really hard, but you're going to feel just a tiny bit of pressure. And about just a tiny little bit, if you can see, of the bottom hole is covered with my bottom lip. Okay, so I'm going to go, poo. But I'm going to try to keep my lips as small as I can. I'm going to put my right hand, I'm going to plug the hole. So you can see the opening of my lip is pretty small. So if I'm trying to do this, so if you see my lip is really open, okay, that's not going to work as well either. If I'm trying this, okay, I'm blowing too fast and too hard. So just kind of gentle. And you can see how the corners of my lips are kind of pointing down. We don't want to do this either. If I'm getting kind of a higher pitch sound, usually that means my corners are too high and I'm blowing my air too straight, too high, and too fast. So again, if we just put it under our lip, cover just a little bit, you can see. Okay, and then just not here. Relax. And also you want to be careful that this isn't out too far or even in too far. Okay, so the biggest thing is just getting that round shape right here. We're not like this. And then some of us are doing like this. And we're trying to pull our bottom lip under, okay? If anything, we want to just keep our bottom lip pushed out. So we got to find that sweet spot too of blowing our air. So we want to mostly think straight across, like we're blowing across a bottle. So our top lip pushes a little bit forward. Like we're saying, Winnie the Pooh. But we're going poo with a little bit of a gentle airstream. If I blow too high, none of the air is getting down into the lip plate. We don't want to come across the top and do that either. So underneath, try to make yours look just like mine. So if you have a mirror or something, you can look in a mirror. Corners should be down. Okay, just blow gentle. Okay, if I'm too high, you'll get that. Okay, if I blow too low, work either. So, poo. So you may need to experience, each person's face is different, so you may need to experience a little bit with moving it up or down just a little bit, rolling this in a little bit, rolling this out a little bit, moving it one side or the other, but it should be right around here. Okay, so again, here. So we want to make that opening nice and small. Okay? All right, so keep working on it. Good job.